What we discussed in the last class? Did we cover the sets? So create a new set. Okay. So this is the way to take a set. Set is a function used to create a set from an array. Okay. So console.log of letters. Some ABC will be printed there. And this is the second method. This is the second method to create a set. Letters equal to new set terms. And now I'm just appending the values using the dot add function. I'm printing the values right here, and I'm just getting the size of the set. Size of set would be some 4, because 4 values are appended to the given set, right? And then has a means, so has is actually a function used to find if the particular element is present inside a set or not. So obviously, yeah, true it will return true. Dot delete. Delete is a function used to remove an element from a set. So actually, a set is obviously an iteratable statement. So we can use a for each item of the given set, print the X. Okay, so each item will be retrieved and it will be printed there. That's it. That is all about sets. Set. Okay. Regular expressions. See, regular expression this is very important concept actually. Okay. So if you want to see, regular expression is actually a separate language. Regular expression is actually a separate language. So you can form different type of searchable strings, searchable patterns using the regular expression. See this one. ABC is a string. ABC is a string which is means case sensitive. Case insensitive. Case insensitive. Okay. And A to Z I means, see, this is a set with values ABC. Okay. No, sorry, this is a string with value ABC. So you can have multiple ABCs. Okay, you can have if you have this ABC string in your particular given string, you can search that one. Okay, and this is A to Z. A to Z means in your string it must consist of only alphabets, small alphabets from A to Z. Okay, and they can be case insensitive. That means that they can be capital or they can be small. And this is
A to Z and
numerical value from 0 to 9. Actually, they are not actually numerical value from 0 to 9 and A to Z. Okay, so they are G means global. Okay, global match.
In this case,
so multi-line matching and global matching. So these are actually the modifiers we can use along with the given pattern. Okay, see this one. Brackets are basically used to represent the string pattern. So ABC here, ABC is a string pattern. Okay, find any character between brackets. Find any character between the given pattern using the given pattern. Like if your string consists of ABC, you can return some true. And that cap symbol is considered as a not symbol. Okay, find any character not between the brackets. Means if your string must not consist of ABC. Okay, if there is no ABC in your string, then it will return true. And A to Z. Find any character between
0 to 9.
Not 0 to 9 actually. A to Z. and this one 0 to 9. This means
It's a
0 to 9. Yeah. Should not consist of only digits. Okay, only digits. It consists of some other characters also. This is such means ARE. See, multiple star means basically star represents multiple time occurrence of LO. However, you can have this type of patterns. Yes. O plus means at least one time occurrence of O. LO means it is considered to match any string that consists of 0 or one occurrence of n. This is actually the pattern. So
that is not listening.